Let's get straight to the point. Number 8. The AI Dream Stalker. You think your most embarrassing late-night subconscious fantasies are safe behind your closed eyelids? Wrong. Scientists at Kyoto University have decided that privacy is for losers. They've developed an AI that can literally peer into your brain while you're busy drooling on your pillow. By using fMRI scans to track blood flow and feeding that data into a deep learning neural network, they've reconstructed images from dreams with startling accuracy. It's the world's first video recorder for your mind. Imagine waking up and having to explain why there's a digital file of you riding a giant unicycle through nacho cheese. You're not just sleeping, you're producing a low-budget movie for a computer to critique. Your private thoughts are now a downloadable file. It's incredible, groundbreaking, and terrifying. Your brain is a public broadcast station. Science broke into your bedroom. I'm gonna buy a tinfoil sleeping cap before my subconscious gets leaked. Number 7. The Living Green Soup. Check your pulse and stop hugging bark because nature just got a liquid upgrade. If you live in a concrete jungle where the only green thing is the mold on your leftover pizza, scientists in Serbia have a solution that looks like a prop from a cheap sci-fi flick. It's called Liquid 3, and it's basically a massive tank filled with 600 liters of glowing green microalgae slime. While regular trees are busy taking decades to grow and demanding soil and space, this aquarium on steroids is working overtime to scrub the air. From a technical standpoint, one of these tanks is as powerful as two 10-year-old trees or 200 square meters of lawn. It sucks up carbon dioxide and pumps out pure oxygen like a biological factory. It's the ultimate hack for cities too crowded for actual forests. We've officially reached the point where we're replacing Mother Nature with a high-tech vending machine full of pond scum. It's efficient and slightly depressing that we've paved over so much dirt that we now outsource our breathing to a glorified fish tank. The future is here. We aren't planting forests anymore. We're just installing green plumbing to save our lungs. It is a biological revolution in a box. Number 6. The Jurassic Park Fan Club's Ultimate Fantasy. Forget what you learned from Jeff Goldblum about the dangers of playing God. We're literally dragging life back from the grave with a pair of molecular scissors. A company called Colossal Biosciences has decided that regular elephants are just too boring, so they're using CRISPR gene editing magic to resurrect the woolly mammoth. This isn't some grainy Bigfoot footage or a hoax. They've already mapped the entire mammoth genome and are currently copy-pasting those prehistoric traits into Asian elephant cells. We're talking about massive tusks, thick, shaggy hair, and specialized blood that doesn't turn into a popsicle in the Arctic. Effectively, they're creating a hybrid elephant with a high-end winter coat. Based on their current timeline, the first functional mammoth calves could be born within the next few years. Because clearly the world wasn't chaotic enough, we now need a 4-ton Ice Age tank to keep us on our toes. In this era, extinction is just a temporary status, like an away message on Slack. Get ready for the ultimate zoo upgrade. Number 5. The literal beam me up Scotty moment. If you thought teleportation was just for guys in spandex on a starship, buckle up because the universe is weirder than your browser history. While we aren't zapping humans across the globe yet, researchers have officially pulled off the impossible by beaming data between atoms over massive gaps. This isn't just a fast Wi-Fi signal, it's a phenomenon called quantum entanglement, or what Einstein famously labeled spooky action at a distance. In simple terms, two particles become so linked that what happens to one occurs to the other instantly, no matter how much space is between them. No wires, no radio waves, just pure cosmic magic. From a physics perspective, they've transferred the state of a particle from one laboratory to another without it ever physically traveling through the air. It's the groundwork for a quantum internet that is totally unhackable and moves at the maximum speed of light. We are basically one breakthrough away from never having to wait for a delivery truck again. Space is no longer a barrier, it's just a suggestion. We're finally learning to cheat at the game of distance, and frankly, it's about time.
Number 4. The building that heals its own wounds like a superhero. If you're tired of seeing your city fall apart faster than a cheap umbrella, listen up, because the construction world just got a biological heart transplant. Scientists have invented a bioconcrete infused with extremophile bacteria that can chill inside a wall for 2 centuries without a snack. When a crack finally appears and water seeps in, these tiny tenants wake up from their long nap and start munching on calcium lactate. The result? They produce solid limestone that fills the gap and seals the structure perfectly. Essentially, we've created a skyscraper that has its own immune system. In a logistical sense, this technology could make our bridges virtually immortal, ending the era of endless orange traffic cones and potholes. We are moving away from dead, gray slabs and toward living architecture that repairs itself. It's a bit creepy to think your apartment is alive, but at least you won't have to worry about the ceiling falling on your head. We've managed to turn bacteria into the world's most efficient, unpaid masonry crew. It is a total game changer for a planet that is literally cracking under its own weight. Your house is now a living organism that refuses to crumble. Number 3. The air-gen wizardry that literally pulls power out of thin air. If you thought your phone battery dying was a fundamental law of the universe, you are officially living in the past. Researchers at UMass Amherst have developed a device that creates electricity from nothing but the humidity in the room. It uses microscopic protein nanowires to grab electrical charges from the water vapor floating around your head right now. This isn't a solar panel that quits when a cloud shows up. It works 24/7 because air is never perfectly dry. From a mechanical perspective, we are talking about a continuous harvest of energy from the atmosphere itself. Imagine a future where your laptop never needs a wall outlet and your smartwatch stays charged just because you're breathing near it. It's essentially an energy machine hidden in the mist. We've spent centuries burning rocks like cavemen, but now the sky itself acts like a giant, invisible battery. This technology is so clean it feels like a cheat code for reality. No more cables, the oxygen you consume is becoming a wireless power station. It is the ultimate invisible upgrade for a world running out of juice. We are finally plugging into the atmosphere and leaving the grid behind.
Number 2. The Avatar-style light show coming to a garden near you. Stop paying the electric company because MIT engineers have turned houseplants into living lamps. Using plant nanobionics, they've injected specialized nanoparticles into watercress, making them glow with high-intensity light. We're not talking about a faint glimmer. These things emit enough light to read by. The goal is to replace every flickering streetlight with a row of glowing trees. Imagine a sidewalk lit by a forest that doesn't need wires or a power grid. From a botanical standpoint, we are hacking nature to outsource infrastructure to the soil. It's the coolest thing to happen to plants. We're moving toward a future where your desk lamp needs watering instead of a plug. It's sustainable and makes your house look like a movie set. Instead of burning coal, we're letting the bushes do the work. Nature is becoming our primary lighting contractor. Get ready for a world where the forest keeps the dark at bay. This is the green energy revolution for your home.
Number 1. The physics-breaking glitch in the matrix known as time crystals. If you think the universe has rules that can't be bent, prepare to have your reality shattered. For decades, experts insisted that perpetual motion was a total fairy tale, but we just found a massive loophole. Scientists proved the existence of a new state of matter where atoms spin and reset forever without using a drop of energy. While a diamond has a repeating pattern in space, these crystals have a structure that repeats in time. From a quantum mechanics perspective, they are breaking the symmetry of the calendar, oscillating for eternity. We're talking about computers that never overheat and run indefinitely on zero power. It is a middle finger to the laws of thermodynamics. We've discovered matter that refuses to follow the nothing lasts forever rule. It's a ticking clock that never needs a battery. Your teacher was wrong. We found something that moves forever because it can. It's the victory of matter over time. It changes our entire understanding of the universe.
If you liked seeing how reality is basically a lie, smash that like button and share this with a friend who's still living in 2024. Subscribe and hit the bell because we post mind-blowing facts every single day. I'm Coolest Dude Explains, and I'll see you tomorrow.